This is how to manage the default apps on your Windows laptop. So let's get started. The first step is to open settings. So go to the start menu and search settings. Then once you're here, select apps that's on the left. Then select the third option called default apps. And here we have two methods of seeing and managing the default apps. So on top, it's by file type, and below, it's by application type. So first, let's see by file type. If I want to see my default PDF viewer, I can just type .pdf. As you can see, the option has come here. And if I select it, then this is my default PDF viewer, Adobe Acrobat. And if I want to change it, I can just click on it. Then these are all the other apps which I can make default. Let's say I want to make Google Chrome. I'll select it and then click on Set Default. And now Chrome is my default PDF viewer. The same way, you can just type dot and then search for different extensions. You can see this is the entire list. So if I want to see my default video player, I can just type in MP4 and all MP4 files open with VLC. So this was default by file type, and now let's see by application. So if you scroll through this list, you'll see all of your applications, and now all you have to do is select the app which you want to manage. So again, let's take Adobe Acrobat for example. If I click on it, then here I can see for what all file types or link types, this is the default. So for .pdf, it's now Google Chrome since we changed it. But for all of these file types, it's still Adobe. And again, to change it, you can just click on it and select the app you want to change it to. So this is how it works. You can go through this entire list, select the app that you want to check, and you'll get all the information as to if it currently is a default, or if you want to make it a default, you can do that as well. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.